Test 1. Defocus clear background. ND filter on. 4K 24 frames per second. Active, off, intelligent, auto. Test 1. Defocus clear background. ND filter on. 4K 24 frames per second. Active, off, intelligent, auto. I like a crisp, clean, all-around camera taking video that you can see everything close up to infinity 100% and not defocused. How does the background look when I walk out of the scene of the camera? Every day is a windy day, and I apologize that I cannot get any omnidirectional front and back internal mic sounds. I'm using a Rode Wireless Go to capture the sound for you. If I moved into front of the camera again, does the background now get defocused when it's on clear? I don't know. I cannot see that screen, and the only way I can show you what I see, and if I hold this camera over here, it's going to be like this over here. Very hard to see. So I'm going to show you nice and close up the screen. It is an overcast day, windy day, noisy day, a siren just slowly coming over here, 20 miles per hour. We have overcast sky, clouds all the way in the back over there. I doubt you're going to see that. I'm sorry, fish, you've been interrupted. I apologize. Overcast day, not going to see anything, nice and quiet. If I have an external mic and my mic, I want to pull it out to give you an example, dead silence, no can do. Right now it's not windy. I'm going to stop and give you that test, internal. I can't just pull the mic out. So let me stop the video. It's going to start to be a little breezy, just bear with it. And I don't like the wind muff. It's recyclable polyester from existing stuff. Omnidirectional all around. The only way I could give you sound from the back of the camera is to turn you around this way. And you can hear me talking and you can see that big tree. They cut that tree down over there, one area. Everybody was watching them do the cut. I apologize. I'm definitely on the front and I can hardly see the screen. Regular glasses, sunglasses, give it up, and the wind is ruffling across. I'm going to turn the camera around and talk behind it. But they say if you dish the camera in the background, it should pick you up. So if I walk out of the scene, you're supposed to hear. All these tests were done. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care if I go in and out of the scene. All I care is about the video looking good when I use a Rode Wireless Go today. I'm sorry. It may have said back. I'm not even sure. And I'm talking towards the back. You're looking at the tree. That's all I can do for you. Quality just went downhill. I just noticed my back of the camera. I can see the seam line. It don't look perfect. Oh man, this is not fun. Not fun at all. And the sun is burning through all this. I love the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I really do. I love it so much. I'm gonna put it on the shelf Not in my house. I'm building up more and more like this. I'm not leaning this way right now. I'm leaning this way. Oh yeah, it may be a scooter ride, but I want to make sure I'm fully charged, and that's going real slow. I just want to quickly go and have my, you know what? I want my funds back in my pocket, Sony. Today may not be the day for me for a Sony ZV-1 Mark II, but tomorrow may be that day. Oh, I go up and down, up. I bought my Sony ZV-1 Mark II as a review product camera so I could do everything